You want to know how to install 10 fans into a PC case? Well, you have to have a PC case that can hold 10 fans, like this one, Corsair Focus 5000D. There it is. And what would you need? You need a commander, you need a node, and this ugly little thing here. So all these is what you're gonna need to install 10 fans plus this fan header. So you'll be able to run 10 fans on this in this case. All right. You have any questions, need any help, holla at your boy. I'll be more than happy to help you through the process.